Hello and welcome back to the Calculator Review, hosted on Caliquin.com. Today is day 11 of Calculatober. And without giving any kind of introduction, I have the Texas Instruments TI-3500. This is one of the first three calculators released by Texas Instruments. They released three models and this was one of them. And I am so excited to have my hands on one of these because this is kind of a piece of history right here. This is one of the first Texas Instruments calculators ever. This came out in 1972, so it predates a lot of things that I've got. And what makes this really special is the fact that it is digital. This is not a mechanical calculator. Oh, that's 6. I don't know what that 6 was. But yeah, this is an actual, it's got I don't know if that's an LED or LCD. I'm not sure what kind of display this is actually. But regardless, it's beautiful. It is capable of 10 digits, which is really cool. You don't see that too often, especially in older calculators. So yeah, before I get into functionality, I just want to go over just the overall look of it. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. It arrived in really good condition. I have not taken it apart because I'm kind of afraid to, and I'm not going to be doing that on camera. I'll be doing that for the website though. I don't want to be distracted by trying to talk while taking this apart because I don't want to risk causing any harm whatsoever to it. This is among my most treasured calculators, I would say. So when this sold, the original price that Texas Instruments was selling it for was $100, but I got this for, I think, $20. So it's not like it's a particularly valuable calculator. I might have paid a little bit more than that. I honestly don't remember. So it's not like it really went up in value at all. In fact, it has dropped in value significantly. But that doesn't make it any less special to me. So let's take a quick look at how it feels. No surprise here, but these keys are amazing. I mean, you can hear just how loud they are. This almost sounds like a printing calculator, just for how loud it is, and I really like that. So let's do some. Oh, actually, I don't want to. I really like how it flashes all these zeros. I'm gonna have to tilt it up for the camera a little bit, but. Yeah, really cool. It's cool when you actually get to see a calculator performing the math. So if I do like some weird number here, it actually takes a moment to do what it's supposed to do. I just find that really cool. Let's give it a complicated thing. Yeah, it's very cool to see a calculator thinking, I guess. That's the best way to put it. So anyway, yeah, this is not capable of anything particularly advanced. I mean, you just got basic functionality here. There's no memory to be stored at all, but that's okay. I mean, this is a pioneer of calculators. I'm willing to forgive it for lacking functionality because it more than makes up for it in just pure fascinatingness. I don't know what the word is. Just I find this to be a really, really cool thing to have. This is something that I'm very, very happy to have in my collection. Everything about it, like ignoring the fact that it lacks functionality, I love everything about it. This is exactly the type of calculator I like. Something that's big, kind of bulky, a desktop calculator that doesn't bother with the printing. Like, this is almost like a thing that you would have by itself on a desk back in the 70s. And so I guess somebody in finance would just be sitting here plugging away all day. And that would be so satisfying to do. I would love to just have a job where I sit in front of this calculator and perform calculations all day. I know that's kind of a sad dream to have, but whatever. So yeah, this thing's built like a tank. It's kind of like that Monroe 3805, I think, or 2805 that I reviewed a few days ago. But obviously this isn't quite as big. Actually, the closest I would say this to is the Aurora DC-10, my other favorite calculator. The difference here is that this one does not run on batteries. This actually plugs in. I've already got it plugged into my outlet. But yeah, I guess I've said pretty much everything there is to say about it, because it's awesome. I love this calculator. I don't know if this is the original color, or if it's yellowed over time. I'm guessing it's yellowed. But because this is such a shiny plastic, I would not want to retrobrite it, because it might lose that luster, and I don't want to lose that to potentially restore color that it might not actually be. So I have no idea. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I certainly did. I love these keys. Just they're amazing. Even the on and off button, like it's this thing is built awesomely. Awesome. Just so cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I think I already said that, so anyway, have a great day, and be your best, I guess. Bye.